In this video, we'll talk about notching the waistband lining for the front. So this is our self front bodice and our self front waistband, and this is our lining front bodice and our lining front waistband. And we need to notch these so that their relationships make sense together and so that they're easy to tell apart. So on our front self waistband, we have notches for the side seam and notches for the center front waist, both at the where it's going to connect to the bodice and where it's going to connect to the skirt. And we also have 1/2 inch seam allowances notches for the side seam. So we need all those things on the lining waistband. So I'm going to go ahead and, well, actually we don't need all of them because the lining waistband, it's not going to sew to the skirt. It's going to sew to the lining bodice, but not to the skirt. So I just need the 3 notches at the top. So one for center front, and then the ones that are 1/4 inch away so that it'll line up to my lining bodice. So that's it for the lining waistband piece. I could also notch the center front at the bottom. I could notch it the same way that I notch the top, but it's not necessary because when these two sew to each other, this gets pressed and stitched in the ditch, so it doesn't actually connect to anything. So I don't need to notch the bottom if I don't want to. So there we go, center front waistband lining notches.